we haven't sat down in a little while and just chatted about products. Products I'm loving and products that didn't work for me or we still need to figure out. So let's do that. So this product actually surprised me because I didn't love the original. This right here. So the original is the Grip Primer. Excuse me. It is the green one, but this one has niacinamide, and I've talked about niacinamide so much and how I love the way that it wears with makeup. Plus, it's going to have skincare benefits. It's going to help fade marks and so many other things. You can research that. But this is so affordable, and I'm so glad that I grabbed this the other day. And again, if you want to see the wear test, it is on my page, but it's fantastic. I absolutely loved it. And also, you'll know that most of the time, I just use my skincare and my skin prep as primer, and I feel like this is a hybrid of that. This is the skincare and the primer. Is it okay to talk about something I haven't used? Because I want to know your opinion. I picked this up and I haven't used it yet. I am going to be using it. They look very yellow. Let's at least swatch them. I'm not going to do a first impression because I want to do that later and a wear test, but let's see. The shade I'm swatching here is the darker one. No, that looks really nice. Little yellow, but let's see how it dries. Remember, we have to wait for it to dry. And then that shade was 09, and then I got 04. I know it's kind of far away from each other, but I figured it was more forgiving. Let's put it on this side. That one looks too light. Yeah, that one's too light for me. But that looks really nice. But let's see how they dry, and then we're going to do a first impression. But I wanted to show them because I wanted to know if you have tried it. Yep, this one is looking pretty nice. I'm excited to try it. But I did want to show it because I'm curious what you think. Have you tried it? What was your experience? Listen, y'all already sold this out because y'all are absolutely out of control like me. I love how much we love makeup. I'm blown away. I'll show you the other shades that I got, and we're going to use them tomorrow. I'm going to do another look with the Tarte palette tomorrow, and then we'll use these. This one sold out, but Too Faced, listen, we need this restocked immediately. But I'm also going to show you something else that I haven't used, but we can see if it's similar, but we're not there yet. We're on the Too Faced blushes. I get so excited, I get ahead of myself, but I feel like these are like a FaceTime, and y'all are my friends, so y'all can put up with it. So the other shades I got in the Too Faced, oh, isn't that luscious? Y'all know how much I love a red blush like this. It's not quite a true red, but it's almost a true red. This shade is called Watermelon Rain. And then, my slide's about to run out here. Let me see if I can get this open. They are hard to get open. And then the other color I got is this one. Isn't that pretty? I'm excited. And I'm excited for this one too. I love the colors. I absolutely love them. And they're truly blurring. They blur. They're very blurry. It honestly looks like a filter on your cheek when you apply it. And I think that this is just a fantastic formula. And even though this one is sold out, grab another one because I think the formula is just fantastic. I feel like it's exceptional and it's something different, something we haven't seen. Now, listen. Oh, we have so much fun. I'm not sure that this is the same formula, but the colors are identical. They're so identical. If I blink, I lose track of which one is which. So this one might be hard to get to, but this is an option. And I haven't tried this one yet, so I can't say, but I want to give y'all an option. I just purchased this one, and then something else I'm excited to try, but we'll get to it. I'm getting ahead of myself. But I'm excited to try this one. This one's from Tarte, and this is the Amazonian Clay Skintuitive 24-hour. Oh, sorry. I misspoke. 12-hour. I'm sorry. I got ahead of myself. But it's a Tarte blush, and the shade is called. So I might be wrong, but just a little bit wrong. This is one of those pH adaptive blushes. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. And then let's swatch the Too Faced. Swatch it with my ring finger. That way we can make sure that they're different. We'll see what happens. I'm a mess. This one seemed a little bit more pigmented, but swatching is so hard to tell how things are gonna go. It's just so much easier to apply it on makeup, but it's still fun to sit here and hang out and see what happens. I don't know, I feel like this one might be changing a little bit and this one isn't, which isn't a bad thing. This is gonna be fun. I feel like this would be something to compare to that Dior blush, which I don't love that Dior blush. I tried to love that Dior blush, but there's other blushes I like more than that are more affordable. But we'll compare these two. And then I ordered this from Tarte, and I ordered all these from their actual website. So I'm excited to see how this compares. To be honest, I like the Charlotte Tilbury contour one, but I don't use it all the time. I don't gravitate towards it. So I'm hoping that I love this. I'm so excited. And we'll definitely compare those two as well. Let me know, have you tried this yet? What are your thoughts on this? Now, something that I really like the formula, and I've used it enough and I've worn it enough to talk about it, but I just feel like the shade range was not thought about. I feel like it was just like, here you go. And it's this Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Concealer. I have the shade C5, which is too yellow, and then C7, which is a really good undertone, but it's not bright enough. It's almost too dark to be my concealer underneath my eyes. So I want more shades in this. I feel like we just need them all across the board in this formula. I am a mess. Where is Sheila? There we go. I really, really like the formula. And if you can find your shade, you're gonna like this. It's very thin, very pigmented, and that's what we look for in a concealer, but we just need more shades. This is worth investing in more shades. Now let's talk about a concealer I'm loving, and it's this one, L'Oreal True Match. What the heck? I think this is such a fantastic concealer, and it's so affordable. I love it. I love the way it wears. I've worn it enough to tell you that I love it, and it's just a really, really nice concealer. And I also love the shade on me. I'm not gonna put it on yet, but you can see it's so nice. If you haven't tried it yet and you're running low on concealer and you're looking for something affordable, check this one out. Y'all are wild and spicy, and I love y'all. Ulta, there's the link. Ulta still has this color. Ooh, it matches my barrette. That was not intentional, but go, there's a link. Go, go, go. Okay, not to cause hype. I really and truly try not to cause hype, but I do like to tell y'all things that are fantastic, and just because we have such a big family now, things are tending to sell out. Y'all know I'm never like, oh my God, you need it immediately. I really try my best not to be that way, but I did post that video on TikTok and it has almost 4 million views. Oh, what is this? It's wild, but these are wonderful, absolutely wonderful, and they still have them on the e.l.f. website, and I just don't want y'all to miss out on these because they're fantastic. And we're still doing that series. I'm going to do this one today. In fact, that's why I don't have makeup on, because I want to be able to teach with this one. I will say really quickly here, this one is too dark for my skin tone, but we could still do a teaching moment, but I just wanted to let y'all know that. But there's the link. Go get these. Go. This I would have absolutely never ever used. I'm gonna put it on my lips. I'm gonna put it on my lips. I love it. I don't like purple, but somehow this just transforms. And it is stunning. And I've been using it when I'm just running out the door, trying to live my life. It's so pretty. And you can wear it with a lip liner and dress it up, or just wear it alone. I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I love this. Now, y'all always give me lovely compliments on my skin, but lately y'all have been noticing that my skin is even more skinning. It really does look, I feel like even the redness in my cheeks has gone down a little bit. What I've been using is still a secret, but it's almost not a secret. We're almost there. I was testing something. I've been testing something for quite some time, and you'll get to know about it soon. I'm excited. And then I had the secret foundation too, just a little bit longer. I don't like keeping secrets from y'all, but I have to at first. So the Givenchy powder, I'm not comparing this to that. The Givenchy will always be my absolute favorite. It just performs perfectly on me. But a powder that has absolutely surprised me and I have just been enjoying it, and it's so affordable, is this one from Maybelline. Most of you probably already know about it, but I hadn't really tried it with my puff here, and I love it. I absolutely love it. The shade that I use is 10 Fair Light, and it's smoothing, it's brightening without casting shadows, because it does come in shades for everyone. So if you haven't tried this yet and you're looking for something affordable and you just want to go grab it today because it's so easy to find, I love it. And I think that's everything that I have just been going absolutely feral for. I'm looking around. I think that's everything for today. I just went and scoured. That's everything that's newer or that's released or things that I've just randomly discovered. So that's going to be it for that. I love y'all so much. I'm going to go film with this corrector now. I'm very excited for this series. I'll probably post it tomorrow. Tonight, I'm going to continue reposting my concealer series. That's still so helpful. And then I have more that I'm going to add to the concealer series and more that I'm going to add to the foundation series. So make sure you're not missing that. That is on Reels. And again, I'm reposting it because a lot of you did miss it. So I'm reposting. I love y'all so much. I love doing these. Y'all seem to love them too. I like to do these once a week. Tomorrow, we're going to use this again, the Tarte Man Eater something palette. Man Eater After Dark. Meow. We'll use this tomorrow. And yes, we will use the green. I love y'all so much. And then I will see you in the comments tonight.